I'm okay. This is all okay. Dear future me. Is that what I should say? That's not important. Anyways, it's 2021, in case you've forgotten. Life has gone to absolute shit. And shit is putting it nicely. My therapist told me to start taking a diary of my thoughts and feelings, and I thought this would be easier, but now I'm actually seeing myself, and maybe it wasn't, because wow, I look bad. It's 2021, and the world is falling apart, or at least mine is. Some people are just doing fine. The world is falling apart. Fuck, I'm falling apart. I don't even know what to do with myself half the time, because nothing is what it once was. Nothing is normal, and nothing has become everything and everything and nothing, and that doesn't make sense. Nothing makes sense. How did I end up like this? I mean, I used to be doing great. I had all my shit together. I was happy. I was genuinely happy, and everyone saw me as that. But then this century decided to take a hard life turn, and I'm not even sure what I am anymore. There's just all these voices. The voices are all in my head. I hear them. And what makes it difficult is I don't know which voice is mine in the midst of the multitude of sentences and silence. It's deafening. I can't hear myself think. These thoughts in my head, they're not my own, and I don't know whose they are. All I know is that these voices need to get out. My therapist calls them intrusive thoughts. But I'm worried I might have been the one who invited them. These thoughts are not my own. I have to remember that. These thoughts are not my own. They are intruders. They are projections pushed onto me by this world I find myself in. They are transmissions from time. Time that is cruel and cold. And they are not my own. Thus, I wear my helmet to ward off these thoughts. I look fucking stupid. Malleable. I have to become malleable. I have to be molded by the hands of God and pressured by time and gravity and the universe, molded by and morphed by the forces that are not my own. Molded to become this. Boiled. I am boiled. This is not how I intended myself to be. I did not choose this. This is not who I am. Maybe this malleability is a choice, and I am the one who lets myself be constructed in such a way. See, I'm still there. I can still see myself. I'm crinkled, but clear enough. I can see. Life has been hard recently. And I am still learning how to admit that to myself. It's like tinfoil in a microwave. You set the timer for 10, 20 seconds. It really doesn't take that long at all. The little light turns on and the ball of foil starts to slowly revolve, and the microwave slowly hums itself until the sparks start to appear. And the fire ignites and the electricity starts to burn through my veins. I look up and all I see is fire and smoke, and the sky cracks open and all hell breaks loose, and I'm still stuck in the fucking microwave. Until that timer dings and the fires cease and the current stops. And the door opens and I am still a tinfoil ball. But I am free. Scorched, but free. And just as I have been confined into this tightly wound ball of foil, so I can be smoothed out and released, ready to be put to use again. Not the same as I once was, but close enough. A new normal. I'm just waiting for that timer to ding.